now I'm going to take my green, and this is a number 10, and I'm just going to pipe a leaf. One thing I've noticed that doesn't work is that if you're trying to use like a star tip, to get ridges and stuff, that normally won't show up. It'll just kind of, it just kind of bakes out. With the baking, the leavening in the recipe and stuff, you're not really going to see it, just be kind of a blob. So we're just going to pipe a little leaf here. So just pressure and a little bit of wiggle and relax to make a leaf. Okay. And again, you can form it with your hand a little bit. Okay, so there's a pumpkin. Upside down, I guess, to you, huh? There. There's a pumpkin. Okay, what I want to do next is I'm going to do a heart. So another basic shape. This is also with a number 12 tip. Just starting with the easy shapes and red. And you're going to start with hard pressure and then relax as you come down, and it's just a shell. So I've got a 45-degree angle here and hard pressure, and then come down and relax as you come down. Okay, and then right next to it, same thing, hard pressure and relax as you come down. And then again, if you need to, you can just pinch it together like so. And I know that was upside down for you. It's nice because you can actually pipe a bunch of these. Try to keep the tip buried in the dough when you do it, so it's nice and smooth. Just do a couple of these. These are fun to do. This is great also if you don't have any cookie cutters or a place to get cookie cutters, yet you know how to figure pipe whatever you need. You can actually just figure pipe your cookie. Okay. The other thing I'm going to do is I can do an American flag. So I've got some white here, and I'm going to put, well, I've got a number 12 tip in here, so we're just going to use that. And we're going to pipe some stripes. Well, actually, we can do the blue first. Let's do the blue first. Okay, just want to make sure I've got the tip in here. I do. Here's my number 10 tip, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pipe the square of the flag first, the part that the stars go in. Heavy pressure, just to kind of make it square, right? And then I'm going to pipe stripes, and I'm only going to do a few stripes. This is a number 12. Slide in my hand a little. Okay. And then I've also got the red with the number 12. Make sure the cookies join. See how the oil is separating just a little bit? That's what happens when it gets hot. So see there we have an American flag. You can do this for any flag color. I was wondering if I wanted to add another stripe. I don't think so. And then I've got some of these star confettis, and it's nice because you can just stick those in. I'm just going to put a few of them on here. There. So you got a little flag going on here. Okay, I've got some white. I can make a ghost, again with the number 12. Heavy pressure. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Tip is buried and come down. Relax. And then you can do for arms. Flatten that out a little bit. And then I can do little eyes with the little round sequins. You know, we can give them blue eyes. What the heck? There we go. Little blue-eyed ghost.